Oh no, he found the socks again. What the heck are you doing? Hey, whack job. Leave my socks alone.
He likes the smell.
Ew. Hey, he took off with it. Bring it back. Thaddeus, go get my sock. He took my sock. Oh, now he's hopping around with it. Oh, not again. Hey, you, bring that back. You, yeah. I'm bad. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Oh my gosh. What a freakazoid. Hey, give that back. It doesn't fit you. It's not your size. You. Thaddeus, get my sock off the bird. Why does he like them so much? I can't see him. I can't see him past my leg. Oh my word. Now he's got a sock fetish. Ring around the rosy with my socks full of posies. Okay, this is just weird. What a weirdo. Okay, Biff, you really need to give those back now. They're not even your size, for crying out loud. Okay.